Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at VahRehVah.com. Today I am going to make you a recipe of chicken preparation using toddy. This recipe is given to me by Mallesh Gaud, who is a professional toddy tapper from the palm tree. So before you start cooking or touching the chicken or even thinking of cooking, first thing you need to do is have a pot full of toddy. We are not going to use oil. Let's crush some ginger and garlic. I don't know why this is taking a long time. I think I have been crushing it for last 30 minutes. Okay, now this is all crushed. Okay, first thing, you can put in this, add chilies, and now the chicken is shouting, give me some toddy, please give me some toddy. So be nice, first take a sip, give chicken a sip, take a sip, give chicken a sip, take a sip, keep repeating till the toddy is all over. Just mix it. One sip to me, one sip to the chicken. One sip to me, one sip to the chicken. I think that should be enough. Now, while the chicken is getting cooked, you played one game. But while eating also, you have to continue the game and you have to eat with the hands. If any stupid fellow eat with a fork or a spoon, I am going to slap you tight. And wow. This is toddy chicken, kallu chicken, sandhu chicken, and then have on one hand toddy, other hand nice chicken curry. There's a